have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
We want to thank RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding for sponsoring this video.
Here we are, enjoying the most perfect part of our evening in the bed. Of course, this is not the way we sleep. If you guys seen how many pillows we have, it's crazy. But the bed is the main feature that we want to talk about here from Brooklyn Bedding. This is the Dream Foam Hybrid. A couple of things about this. We've had it now going on...
It's going to be a year.
A year.
Coming up on a year.
And the company reached out to us way back when, asked us if we wanted to do a review, and like an idiot, I went ahead and ordered the biggest mattress they had, thinking, oh, this is the one we need. And it was real tall, and it was actually a little bit warmer than we liked, but they have a 120-night trial. And whenever we called them and told them what we were experiencing, they made arrangements with us as far as shipping and taking care of everything. We didn't have to do anything but then get our new mattress that was delivered in here. So once we got the new mattress, this one here, it was it. That was dead on.
It's perfect.
Now, the nice thing about this is, since it's such a perfect mattress, I don't have to worry about my big butt breaking it down. And if I do, if there's anything that happens like that, they have a 10-year warranty. What you're seeing here is a topper that we have on it. We don't need the topper. We just chose to do that to help protect the mattress a little bit more, just from wear and tear. It does have some cooling technology that's built in that, I mean, we sleep with this thing very well when it's warm out, even when we boondock overnight and we might not have air conditioning the way we want. A couple other things that Heidi just found out.
They were a winner of Good Housekeeping RV Travel for 2023.
Now, this is the best part. There's going to be a code that'll pop here on the screen. Maybe we'll put it down here on the end of the bed. Use the link in the description and use that code and you'll get a discount to purchase your mattress. It'll ship right away. They don't drag their feet about that. Brooklyn Bedding, I love it.
I do too.
Yep, RV mattress. Way to go. Now back to the video. So we didn't expect this. We went ahead and had to call the paramedics. This dude was, I don't know, on a trip or something. And when we drove by, we were coming from the car wash. This dude was just laying in the middle of this driveway out here. So we called the emergency, and I mean, the guy was floundering around like a fish for a while and trying to stand up, screaming, and then he fell back. He didn't get to his feet. He just flopped back over again. He was, I don't know, his motor skills just aren't working at all. So Heidi called the paramedics, and here they are. They only took them 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes to get here, which is pretty good. But yeah, that's a messed up situation. We watched 3 people drive by. One person just filmed it, which was kind of weird. But anyways, just thought I'd give you an update. We always tell you if something exciting happens. Well, I guess this is it. One thing about Old Town here is, for whatever reason, I don't know, I'm sure it must be on Friday nights, Saturday nights, not everything is open. There's a lot of places that are kind of abandoned. So the fact that they kind of look like ghost towns in some areas.
Remember? Sometimes.
Well,
I know, but they say that sometimes.
I don't know.
I don't know why.
It's peak season right now.
The park they're staying at is packed full.
Yeah, you can't
They
get
do
in.
have music here, and they do have car shows here.
But you can't get into any of the parks here. There's nothing available. So one of the things that's kind of nice, well, you can see the amusement park over there. One of the things that's kind of nice is there's a road that nobody travels down. But one of the things we can't do anymore, which I really hate, is visit all the bars. There's a decent amount here. There's some kind of cool stores here also. This is definitely a tourist trap, so don't expect to find some kind of hidden treasure down here or anything. But that's kind of what this is all about. Again, it's pretty packed. All around us. You can't get reservations in hardly any park yet. Some of these stores are closed. All right, we're gonna go check out some of these places and get back to you. So here's the slingshot. Heidi says she wanted to go do that. And I said, no way. Oh, yeah, you guys, I don't know if you can see that on camera. There's a bunch of wires holding it together. Oh, now this is cool. I didn't know this. So I just told you that you could walk down the street that's non-drivable, yet these are retractables.
Yeah, for emergencies.
Yeah, I guess so. So again, you can see all the amusement stuff, roller coaster, tilt-a-whirl, go-karts, and then this place here. And the nice thing is there's a Ferris wheel out there. I don't know if you can see that. But this is kind of cool because there are hotels, and it must be pretty inexpensive because we see a lot of people at some of these hotels that are within the place, but more importantly, you just see right outside the gate there. Yeah. So you've got more ways to stay other than RVing if you want to do that. If you got friends coming down and you're RVing, yeah, why not? Tell them, hey, there's a car show? Today is Wednesday the 1st. Themed car show from 5 to 9 and live music, Will Yancey. Nice. So Heidi told me that.
Not use that one over there.
Yeah. Heidi told me she wants to ride that spin around machine there. We can't do either one of those anymore, not with the way our health is.
We're getting too old.
Now this section here, we were on our scooters last year, and again, I think we walked through this park and we showed that on a previous video. Ooh, there's a hippie shop. Look at all those drug rugs. Nice.
Last, please.
So we'll go around the corner here to the left. Oh, look at this. Nathan's famous hot dog we had. Isn't that funny? What kind of hot dogs did we have back at the RV?
Nathan's.
We had Nathan's.
Fraction of the cost.
Yeah, I'm sure of it. Listen to that thing go.
I'm pretty sure that you can see throw up coming off the line.
Yeah, because it goes backwards also.
God, that is.
So here's the entrance from the road, the main road. Again, we came through here with our scooters last year, and guess we could have rode our scooters again this year. We're a lot closer than we were the first time. And those are those retractable poles again. Very cool. Oh, she broke it. She bought it.
The bolts are missing out of it.
So the first day we got here, we had checkers. Because it was right there.
It's actually pretty good, considering.
Yeah. I was hoping we'd see somebody on this spring, but...
There was somebody.
Yeah, this is that's a swing. That's not a slingshot. That's a swing.
Yeah.
Because they're actually closer together than the others.
I think it's moving because the clouds are moving.
Look at this Scullies.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Sully, you should go to the Scullies. Got Day of the Dead stuff going on in there. And then you got Old Town Leather. Well, that was about all for Old Town. It's a nice area. I could see coming up if you have a favorite place that you want to, obviously, if you have kids, the amusement park. And the fact that it's so close to this Thousand Trails, I mean, it makes it very, very nice.
Encore.
I'm sorry, Encore. Yeah, we keep on getting that mixed up, or I do.
Well, because it's so nice, it seems like a Thousand Trails park.
Yeah, it does, which we don't see a lot of that. There's a magic show that's over there. There's another show that we passed. It's
Haunted House.
Haunted House, yeah. But so, again, I want to show you this. You see all these celebration suites, and I don't think they're very expensive. So if you decide that you want to try it out, you know, and you have friends, let's say you're staying at Encore, and you have friends and you want to meet up and they don't have an RV, then...
I think that these are 2 to 10 people.
Yeah, they're big rooms.
Yeah.
And of course, there's all kinds of resort stuff back here too. All right, let's head out.